Hello Georgia, this is Tbilisi. I am on the top and welcome to Georgia.
Okay, now go search.
Guys, I just came last night here to Tbilisi in Georgia, and it's very cold here. I mean, more cold. It is more colder than Turkey and Azerbaijan. So I came last night here, and we'll be exploring a little bit the city because I will be staying only for one day, and I have a few hours to capture some attractions for you and show you. So right now I am in the city center. You can see in the background. This is exactly the center of the city. This you can see in the background. So show you some of the attractions.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
I could be learning, you could be yearning to see what's behind these closed doors. But I promise you, I'll always be yours. I'll always be yours. I'll always be yours.
दे जोड़ो मैं दे So now I have to come here to take a cable car ride here, very famous in the old city. So you can see behind me is the station of cable car. It is very famous, and since I have only one day, so I could visit this old area and to take the cable car ride. So I will show you some of the attractions from there. And since it's very cold and I am a little bit ill as well, so I hope you will enjoy the cable car ride, and you should also take it if you are in Tbilisi, Georgia. Guys, after taking the cable car, now I came here to the top of the city, and from here you can view all the city, Tbilisi city from the top. And the station of this cable car is just near to city center. You can reach there within 3 or 5 minutes, and after that go there, and only for four local currency, I mean almost for $1.50 you can get a two-way card or ticket. And after getting the ticket, you just in the cable car within 2 minutes you reach here on the top, and you can go back, and from here you can view all the city. You can see here, and I will also show you some of the attractions right here which I can see from here. And also we have really nice I mean something I am just showing you within a few minutes. Hey guys, this is what I was talking about. Just in the background behind me is the biggest idol on the top of the city, and from here you can see all the city. And this idol is is called the Mother of Georgia, and her name you can find on Google. Tamar is the first name, and the second name I don't know, but this is called the Mother of Georgia. So I will also show you it from different angles. And this is on the top when you take that cable car and come here on the top, so you see this nice thing. Hey guys, just hiking in the jungle from the top point. There are steps you can take when you come using the cable car. Then you can use these steps to go down and reach the city. But I have come here just to take some pictures and from different angles of that idol I showed you, the Mother of Georgia. And here you will see jungle. It is actually winter, so the trees are not really good, not green. But if you come in the summer, you will see this place really beautiful. Hey guys, I have found some really interesting things, activities for you in Tbilisi if you are here for 1 or 2 days or 3 days maybe. First you take, as I showed you, that cable car ride, and when you come to the top and a little bit walk towards the idol, that the Mother of Georgia, the idol, then you will find this kind of taxis here, and that takes you for only 100 liras, like $40, to show you these two more beautiful attractions on the top of this mountain. One is the amusement park, very famous here, and the next one is this, I guess, a resort and a hotel and some restaurants out there. So these guys are gonna take you there, and since I talked to him, it will take around 50 minutes to reach there and to come back. So, and if you want to stay there for 1 or 2 hours, you can and take pictures and see the city view from there as well. So I will recommend you, if you are here, then you can take these tours, and I think the price is affordable and reasonable. And the next thing is that I am not going there because I have temperature, some headache, some health problems, and since this is I stay here only for 1 day, so not possible for me. But I recommend you to take this trip as well.